Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. A meeting of Salesian cooperators from northern Spain was held from 9 to 10 March on the theme, Are we Church? Yes. The event, organized by the St. Francis Xavier province, brought together 60 people at the Ignatius Loyola Mother House, including Salesian cooperators, aspirants, delegates and guests who experienced moments of formation and sharing. Father Antonio Quintana and ASC for some months offered a realistic and enlightening vision on the figure of the Salesian cooperator in the church. In addition, a proposal was approved in relation to Salesian family councils. The Orato Riada event is a meeting for young people from the various Salesian presences in the province of Wroclaw PLO, mainly for secondary schools. The meeting took place in the Vardogora Oratory and also included an event for young adults. The meeting was full of stimulating panels, creative workshops and spiritual experiences that left an indelible memory unto all participants. The focal point of each day was the Eucharist and adoration of the Blessed Sacrament, which were deeply moving and spiritually enriching. On Saturday, 9 March, in an evocative ceremony in the Church of Santa Maria della Libera in Tequino, Salesian Father Moro Mantovani, Prefect of the Vatican Apostolic Library, was awarded the St. Thomas Aquinas International Prize, awarded by the Circolo San Tommaso Aquino. The ceremony, moderated by François Vane, Director of Communication of the Order of the Holy Sepulchre, opened with greetings from the President of the group, journalist Andrea Gagliarducci, the Bishop of Sora Cassino Aquino Pontecorvo, Bishop Gerardo Antonazzo, and the Mayor of Aquino, Fausto Tomasi. Father Wojciech Girdek, OP, theologian of the Pontifical Household, then delivered a Laudatio, which was followed by the announcement of the winners. Ever since the announcement of this animation visit of the Rector Major, Cardinal Angel Fernandes Artime, to the province of Brazil Campo Grande, meetings with the Bo Bororo and Zavantes peoples have been foreshadowed as the most significant stages of the journey. And now that the 10th successor of Don Bosco is actually in the Salesian missions dedicated to them, all the attention of the Salesian family towards these peoples, rich in history, traditions and culture, even though so often placed in a condition of risk of social exclusion, once again shines through. Through the Gender Matters for Green Tibet project, funded by the Austrian Development Corporation, and carried out by the Salesians of Don Bosco in Rwanda and Uganda, the Don Bosco Gatenga Technical Secondary School in Kigali celebrated International Women's Day with a special event on 10 March. The event featured a special presentation urging girls to pursue technical subjects as enshrined in the project objectives and highlighting the progress made in promoting gender equality at the national level and in school. During the celebration, the students participated in various activities such as songs, poems, dances to honor the achievements achieved by women in society. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.